hidden from public scrutiny.
Farmed animals like Ruby, Poppy, and Cherry are exploited for food every day.
Ruby, a dairy cow, will spend her life being treated like a machine.
Poppy, a newborn piglet, will never know life outside a crate full of feces, urine, and disease.
Cherry, a baby turkey, will suffer from her very first day of life until the day she is slaughtered.
You have the power to stop animal suffering.
Mercy for Animals urges you to help build a more compassionate food system for animals like Ruby, Poppy, and Cherry.
Together we can shape a better future for all.
The animals can't wait.
This Giving Tuesday, let's give animals the hope and love they deserve.